Hi YouTube, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to speed up your computer if it's very slow. The method I'm going to show you works especially very well for old and new computers, but for computers especially that has very low amount of memory. Now I personally use this method for my clients, which are schools which are running old Celeron DDR2 machines which is using 1 gig of memory. Now this works very well for them, and it increases the performance quite considerably. Now this is a two-part video. In the second part I'm also going to show you a different method that you can use, but which is not permanent, as to where this one you can use permanently and change back if you like. Now let's start. First, what you're going to do is right click on this PC. Now please note, if you have a Windows 7 machine, it will be My Computer. If it's a Windows 8.1 and later machine, Windows 10, it will show this PC. So right click on this PC, click on Properties, click on Advanced System Settings, and under the Performance you're going to click on Settings, and as you can see, all these are ticked. Now these controls the shadows on your menus and the way the menus, how can I say, if it's translucent or how you drag them and all this kind of things. Now if you have a very fast computer, you don't need to do this, but if you have a very slow computer with very low amount of memory, and especially a very old computer with very low amount of memory, this will work perfectly for you. Now to increase the speed of your computer, all you're going to do is click on Adjust for Best Performance. You'll see everything is unticked. Then you click Apply and you click OK and OK again, and you can close this menu as well. Now this will increase the speed of your computer, and I hope this video was informative for you, and if you liked my video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you so much and have a great day. Bye bye.